The thief sees that no one is home and steals the TV. This thief, an expert in stealing packages, loads the large boxes by the door into their car one by one during the early morning hours when no one is around. The thief attempts to force the woman out of her car to steal it, but she resists.
Don't do it. Stop. 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 Open the door. I'm not going to hurt you. 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 Give me that first. Oh, break the window down.
No matter how much the woman yells at the thief, he still steals the package at the door and runs away.
Get out my porch! Get out my damn porch!
Late at night, this man makes strange noises while trying to force the door open. Late at night, a food delivery man rang the doorbell, unaware that a dog would come charging at him from inside. Spotting the package from a distance, the thief gets out of the car, quickly grabs it, and escapes back into the vehicle. The man who rang the doorbell multiple times seems to have left a loud message.
I'm here for your soul. Please cooperate. If you do not cooperate within the next 24 hours, your children will be taken by their stuffies.
Dude, if you walked normally instead of trying to look cool, you wouldn't have fallen. This man, knocking on doors at night with a black bag in his hand, struggles to come up with an excuse when the woman asks, "What do you want?"
Nobody. I was just looking for a party.
This woman kicks the door late at night. Her purpose is unknown, but before leaving, she doesn't forget to smile at the camera.
Oh, lights. What a good song.
Realizing no one was home, the thief broke in at night and stole the safe. A stranger starts forcing the man's door. The homeowner can't make sense of the situation.
Who is it?
An old man enters a stranger's yard late at night and rings the doorbell.
What?
Work.
Who?
Work.
You ain't doing no work?
Work your own stuff.
No. But what you doing over there this time of night, though?
Looking for some work, man.
Man, you ain't looking for no work. You looking for trouble. Get out of here.
Okay, bro.
While walking by, a man sees a shopping cart next to a house and decides to steal it. Just after he takes it and walks away, the owner starts calling out to him.
Bring that back. I don't care if you need it or not. We need it too. you only need that one.
You guys are awesome with the snacks! My first snacks for the day, you guys are awesome. I love it. I really mean it. You guys make my days when you guys do this.
The woman who leaves snacks and drinks at the door makes the man happy.
I usually never am. I'll take the water. I can on the wine. A little greedy, but I have to eat off today. I'm sorry. Thank you so much. You guys have a great day.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. You guys are awesome. Happy New Year.
A strange man entered the yard without permission. He looked around as if he was searching for something. After a long look, he couldn't find what he was looking for. As he was leaving the yard, the homeowner called out to him.
Excuse me, did you do something?
Yeah.
Why are you climbing into my property?
Sorry.
Excuse me? No, please do not do that again. No, what are you doing on this side? I'm sorry?
Oh my god.
My friend, you should be more careful.
Oh, you gotta have that. Oh, you gotta have that on the Ring Doorbell. I just busted my ass.
You fell down?
Yeah.
Oh, I fell down.
You gotta have that on the Ring Doorbell. I need to see that video.
Carlin fell down.
Bad. Boy, stop doing that one,
Hey.
The sweet guy in costume rang the doorbell and waved at the camera. Hearing strange noises outside his door, the homeowner got out of bed and checked the camera. He couldn't believe his eyes. There was a whole bear family right in front of his house. A half-naked man came to the door and kept ringing the bell. He looked like he was freezing. When he realized no one was answering, he ran off into the night. A man with strange looks came to the door. He noticed the package on the ground, bent down, and stole it. Still giving odd glances at the camera, he then walked away. He fell really hard to the ground. It must have hurt a lot. This kid is trying to force the door open. The homeowner, confused by the situation, asks what he wants.
Can you just get me back to? Can you just help me direct me back to Cyber campus?
It's 1 and 30. I can't help you with anything right now, unfortunately.
This driver must have gotten his license from a butcher. He completely wrecked the tree in front of my yard.
Yeah, this is hella OD.
These siblings want to jump over the fence, but it's covered in wire. One of the kids comes up with a genius idea. He throws a blanket over the wire, and they manage to get out easily.
Are you willing to take risks?
Yeah, fine. I'm just surveilling the river here.
Listen, you're gonna go first, so I can make sure. But pretty much you have to be good. Put your hands on here.
Yep, good.
No.